Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Rusha and you're watching Rusha's Makeover. So I am back with a new video. Today it is going to be a most interesting video because it will be 5 minutes makeup challenge video. And another interesting thing is that it is uncut, unedited and raw video which I will post directly. But one thing I want to share that always before making video I practice and try to memorize the word because I fumble a lot. I need all your support. Be with me. As you know, today I am going to do 5 minutes makeup challenge. So let's see whether I can complete the challenge or not. Let's see. I have already set my timer. It is 5 minutes, you can see. Now I am going to start it. And one thing I want to say that I have already moisturized my face. Now I'm starting. I'm using primer to my whole face. I'm using foundation. Oh my god, time is running. Oh my god. Now I'm using highlighter. What a mess. Oh my god. Oh. So इससे ज़्यादा बहुत बुरा मेकअप हो रहा है मेरा. Time up. I cannot. I think it's looking good. I have done little bit of eye makeup and mascara is okay. Lipstick is also okay. Highlighter, blush. I think it's okay. I'm ready to go outside. We can go outside like this, I think. It is possible. ना इतना भी बुरा नहीं लग रहा, right? You can comment below that how I am looking, and you can also try this at your home. So for today it's end. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.